Hi, in the previous class we have discussed about creation of locations, creation of business group, and we have set the profile options for HR security, and we have created the chart of accounts, and we created the currencies. Now, in this class we are going to create calendars. Let's see how to create a calendars. So this is a calendar which I have created, so I will just show you. So the navigation is setups, financials, calendars. Type. Here I have just created the calendar as you can find enter. Have created as test underscore tx underscore cal. View, create by example and run. So here in this way I have created the test tx calendar and I created the quarter as 13 and the year type. There are two types of, one is calendar and one is physical. I have selected physical and I give the description. So my calendar type is test Texas calendar. Now I'll just create an accounts for that type. So we're going to create a calendar type as TXCAL, that is Texas calendar. Now the prefix. So this is a March. So I'm going to skip the first two, the January and the February month. So I'm going to start from March. It's March year 20. Its type. The type which we had defined earlier, it is test underscore tx underscore cal. Year 2015. Prefix. So March comes under quarter 1. So each 3 months comes under quarter 1, like January, February, March. These 3 comes into the quarter 1. And the number I'm going to create here as 3. So the first is for January, second is for February, and third is for March. And from 01 MAR 2015 to 31st MAR 2015, and name it will automatically taken as March 15. Next, April TEST TX. So we drag the type, give the year as 2015, and the quarter here for April is 2, and the number is 401 APR 2015 to 30th APR 2015. So April 1st to last. Now it's May TEST TX 2015, and the quarter is 2, number 5, 01 May 2015 to 31 May 2015. Now it's June. Test. Let's go TX. Next cal 2015, and quarter is 2, number 6, 01 June 2015 to 30th June 2015. Now it's July. test tx cal 2015. Here the quarter is 3, number 7, 01 JUL 2015. It's end on 31st JUL 2015. Now it's August. So DX calendar year is 2015 and the quarter is 3, number 8, from 01 AUG 2015 to 31 AUG 2015. Now it's September. Test TX 2015 3901 CP 2015 31 CP. Oh, it's 30 P2015. Now it's October. Test TX year 2015 and prefix here would be 4 and number 10 01 OCT 2015 and here 31 OCT 2015. It's time for November. Test TX 2015 quarter 4 11/01 November 2015 to 30th November 2015. Zero and OV 15. It's December. Year 2015 and quarter 4 number 12. It will be 12/01 DEC 2015 to 31 DEC 2015. Last one is adjustment period. Test underscore TX. It's 2015 and quarter 4. Give the number as 13. And for the adjustment period, we will take one, that is 31st December 2015 to 31st December 2015, and we need to check the adjustment period here. So we have created 13 periods, in which first 2 are January, February, which is already passed away, so I'm not mentioning here. For the March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the adjustment period 13. So we have mentioned all the 13 periods, and for the adjustment periods we need to enable the adjustment box here. Now save it transaction completed, 12 records applied and saved. So we have created 3C's: chart of accounts, calendars, currencies. Now, yes, for the current one. Okay, so you can see the request running for the calendars. That's what it's for the Texas calendar. Done. So now we're going to set up and we're going to set the account for this thing. So need to create accounting setups and the ledger. The navigation is set up. Financials. Sometimes the system works too slow. Financials, accounting setup manager, accounting setup. It is an OF page. Let me maximize it. Yes. So here, so first I'm going to create an accounting setup. Click on create accounting setup. So here we're supposed to create an accounting setup and a legal entity. Create an accounting setup. So first, let's create a legal entity. So, test underscore tx underscore legal entity LE. Organization as test underscore. What just happened? Not an issue. We'll create test underscore tx underscore org. Organization name. We will give legal entity identifier as tx underscore le. Give test underscore tx underscore le. Give the number something around like 501 5011, given that way, and we can select an existing address here by just clicking on this. Just we need to search for the existing address, or else we can create a new address. So in my case, I'm going to pick an existing address. It's working very slow, but okay, it doesn't take much time. I'm going to select here. And click on go. I just got an address. So it's California. So I've selected the address. So I'm going to click on apply. It's working really very slow, so I'll just try to apply this and I will try to restart the system again. Hopefully it will work somewhat better. So created a legal entity, add under row. I will try to restart the system. It will at least try to help me out. So first let's see this thing, legal entity. It's test underscore tx underscore le. So this what the country US, and we are given the legal entity identifier as test underscore tx underscore le. So this is our legal entity which we have created just now. Click on next. Now here, give the primary ledger name. I will give the ledger name as test underscore tx underscore ledger, and the chart of accounts which we have created, it's test underscore tx underscore coa. Yeah, and accounting calendar as test underscore tx underscore cal. We gave as tx underscore cal, I guess. Come on man, not this time. So we just remove the test tx and go. We got it. Now just apply it. So we have given the primary ledger name, chart of accounts, accounting calendar, and currency we gave as USD 17. Yes. Now click on next. That's what. So here we have created legal entity and ledger. Now finish. So we have successfully created the accounting setups. The accounting setups name is txt test txt ledger. So this has been successfully created. Or you want to return to accounting setups, or you want to define the accounting options. I want to define the accounting options as well. So let's go and create accounting options. Here you can see the general ledger under the general ledger, it says created on 17th March, operating units, okay, user with operations, perfect. And you can see the status here, it's not completed, it's in process. You can see it's in progress. So click on update button. Here it says that accounting friction structure txt is not compiled. Oh, it's not compiled. So first we'll go to the Flexfields. The navigation is setups, financials, Flexfields, key, and segments. We'll query here, query by example, enter as view, query by, and run. We got general ledger, click on down arrow, again click on down arrow, and here we need to see the Flexfield title as accounting Flexfields. And now again query, find here. So what's our name? It's test underscore tx underscore chart of accounts. So we'll just find, okay, test underscore tx. Now just compile it. Done. Just see the request. It's running. Done. So completed, normal. Now click on cancel. Again click on update. You can now see it doesn't throw any error here. So that's what we just need to compile the accounting structure over there. So once it's done, we create the ledger and a short name. Okay, it can be in this way, that's good. And just click on next. Now the retained earning accounts, this is a mandatory where we can use our segments. We have created our segments, the KFF. So now we are going to use the KFF here, the retained earning accounts. So the company here, you can give the company name, like we have created in KFF. We have generated the company US operating unit, US manufacturing, US cars. So I'm selecting here US operating unit and click on select. And department. The system is very slow. Okay, we can do one thing. We can till now we have created the accounting setups, the legal entity, and in the legal entity we are working on the ledger options. So just I will try to restart the system and we'll try to create a ledger options, so that by completing this thing we will try to, after this we will try to create operating unit, and therefore the multi-org structure will be completed. Then we'll go on for the purchasing and we'll do the purchasing setups. So first will try to close the system and restart the application.